Hello folks, some time ago I went to Czech Republic on business and I got an opportunity to quickly get a sneak peek at some old computers and some lovely people that I used to work with. Here we have an M3T 320 with an integrated tape deck, and this computer was designed and developed by Czech Republic in Brno, and what this particular computer was used for was improving the efficiency of a coal burning power plant, and it actually improved the efficiency of a coal burning power plant by about 3%. The computer keyboard is quite interesting because if you look closely you can see Russian Cyrillic and also English characters both printed on the keys. The actual construction of the computer is quite interesting because the motherboard for the computer, or the main board, is literally just a backplane, and then you slide in these different 8-bit expansion cards, and those expansion cards have got the main processor on it, the RAM on one of them, the ROMs on another one, and they all just effectively plug into the backplane bus, and that makes the computer very adaptable, hence it was used in commercial situations. I haven't been able to find out too much more about this particular M3T 320 computer from Czech Republic. Even extensive Google searches don't really show much about it, so I think it's quite rare, and it's quite nice to be able to say I've seen one in the flesh, so to speak. Anyway, moving rapidly on, let's have a look at some analog computers. And of course a big hello from Czech Republic. Now, analog computers, really quite interesting, but ultimately they're real-time computers, so they look at waveforms. They're not like normal computers that deal with calculations one at a time in a linear fashion. They actually have multiple inputs and multiple outputs, which makes them really good at analysing things with multiple inputs and outputs, obviously. So ultimately what you've got is the ability to be able to add waveforms together, subtract waveforms from each other, multiply waveforms together, and divide waveforms from each other. And you have the ability to be able to scale the results of those waveforms as well. As you can well imagine, analog computers are very good at real-time simulation and modelling. And with the correct programming, i.e. plugging various different cables into various different modules in order to emulate your mathematical equation as best you can. And an actual example of where an analog computer has been very useful is modelling when long, thin ships, such as oil tankers, are hit by large waves, and actually having a look to see how the hull bends and flexes. Anyway, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. A big hello from Czech Republic from about 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. I can't remember when it was I went. And also massive apologies that video output has been a little bit sporadic recently. But the weather's been very pleasant. The attic gets very hot and there's quite a lot of family things going on at the moment. But we will be back on course for more regular output in the near future. Take care, people. Have a wonderful week. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers and beers. Have a great summer. Bye for now.